Good morning, students. Here I come before you in the form of video. And remember, we were discussing earlier in our previous videos, we have seen that the formation of the constitution, how our constituents, constituent assembly, that is they made or formulated or drafted the constitution, and this was made into two forms. One is known as the guiding principles under which sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic, these are the key words that are explained. We have got in the preamble, also we have got the main aims and objectives of the constitution. In our constitution, there is a main aims of the constitution is, you see on page number 40, if you take the book and the pencil in hand, you will be able to notice that the preamble also mentioned a few terms. Now these terms are the main objectives of the constitution. What is this objectives, aims and objectives? Our objective is to build a socialist country. Justice, they have to establish justice. Liberty, there should be a freedom for everybody. Equality, where all the citizens live together in equality. Okay. Next one is live in friendship, fraternity. These are to aim this. These are the ways through which we are able to establish a democratic country. A democratic country where justice is done to all. And it's a liberty of various thoughts, liberty of thoughts, liberty of expression, liberty of faith and worship. All these things we are going to discuss now. Now, so in earlier video, I was discussing with you about the secularism. What is the secular country? Our country is a secular country. Okay, secular meaning where there is no particular religion known as the state religion or country's religion. There is no country's religion. All the religions are equally given status, equal freedom. So it means that people of all religions are treated equally. Not a particular religion is treated separately in a specific way. All the religions are treated equally by the government. By whom? By the government. And every citizen has the right to follow any religion he or she wishes to. So, to choice. It is the choice for her. Next one is a democratic. Our country is a democratic country. Demos means people. Krate means the rule. So, the rules and regulation which is formulated by the people. So, Abraham Lincoln has well defined democracy, which is of the people, by the people, and for the people. That means government is made of the people. It's not of anybody. People have made. Who? By whom? Whom it is made? This government is made by whom? It's the people they have made. By the people. And for whom did they make? It's for the people. So, the government of the people, by the people, and for the people is called the democracy. The government is not by hereditary. The father is a king or father is a prime minister, so son also will be prime minister. Not at all necessary. It's the people who make the government. It's the people's rule. What is that? Democracy. Demos kratos is a people's rule. People's rule. So every Indian citizen. So it is that democracy. This means that people elect their own government in a democratic country. India is the largest democracy in the world. Every Indian citizens of 18 years and above, 18 years, every citizen who reaches 18 years and above has the right to choose their leader for the country, for them and for them and for them, of them, for them and by them. So it's a right who has given, the constitution has given, to choose a leader to rule the country. So they have the right to choose by the system of voting. Vote. You have not reached the age, so you will not understand how the things are done. But it is in practical you will not understand. But in theory, this is what is. Republic. Next point is the republic. It means that the head of the state is not a king or queen, and it is not the hereditary position. This government is not a hereditary position. This means that the position of the head of a head cannot be passed on down the generations of a family. The head of the state is always elected by the people for a fixed period of time. This means the republic. That means we are republic of the republican country. So this is what it means.